What's up guys, TechRex here. So in this video we have an iPhone 11 Pro in perfect condition guys. Everything is fully working. Here's the back, beautiful green color. And in a quick nutshell guys, I'm going to explain to you guys what we're going to be doing in this video. So we have two buckets right here. We're going to be cutting one of the buckets all the way across the middle. So like a good section of the bucket is just going to be cut out, and we're going to replace it with this clear acrylic. So we'll be able to see through the bucket. When we do that, I have some sodium metal, and I've used this stuff in my other videos. When exposed to water, basically this stuff blows up. So the cool thing about it is when I cut it through, I'm going to take this iPhone, I'm going to put a lot of this sodium metal all around the phone. So it'll be kind of like a casing for the phone, and I'm going to drop the phone inside the bucket. Obviously there'll be some water in there, and right before the explosion happens, I'm going to actually put a second bucket on top. So what should happen is if it all goes to plan, the second bucket should actually fly up, kind of like a rocket, straight into the sky, and it'll be a really cool explosion, and we'll see if the phone survives. And just like that, we're ready to place the clear acrylic glass onto the box. And we're securing the bottom of the bucket with some screws. As you guys can see, we're creating our own custom clear bucket where we're going to be filling it up with water and dropping the phone with sodium inside. So we're testing out all the fitting, making sure it's got a nice, precise, and flush fit. We've got everything set up, guys, and here is a closer look at the piece of sodium metal. We're going to use about half a bar, and we're going to mold it in such a way where it just kind of wraps around the iPhone, and it's going to be dropped into this bucket. We're molding the sodium metal into this pancake shape so we can just nicely fit it on the screen of the iPhone and then drop both into the bucket. So we're going to flip it and make sure it's on slow-mo, and we're going to have another camera down below. Here's the bucket with water, and it's filled with the sodium metal. So this is a little bit sketchy and it's already fizzing up. We're going to see what happens. Oh my. Oh. Whew. Just like that. In a matter of seconds, guys, mission accomplished. I just landed the drone, guys. We're gonna go ahead and inspect how the phone looks like as it's smoking up in there. The phone is recording. It's recording. I'm almost afraid to put my hand in there because I'm feeling a lot of heat inside here. Water's still murky. Kind of nervous about this entire situation, but ooh, very slimy water. But let's hit pause. Front looks good. No cracks on the front, no cracks on the back. As you heard, guys, the explosion was super loud. My fingers are actually stinging a little bit from just holding this iPhone, but it's a survivor, guys. The bucket is in one place. The second bucket landed right there. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos, and peace out.